Yes, yes, yes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Let's trade live. So gold is expected to buy to 47.26. 47.26. Girls expect to buy 47.27. Yebo, ayebo, 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 ayebo. Hey, leo watu hawajoin kwani? Watu wameenda kazi. People have gone to work or what? We are supposed to kwani YouTube imeamua leo ani expose kwa watu wakuja waangalie nikitrade. Yeah, at least nimeanza kuona like coming in. Welcome guys, we're trading today. We're trading gold, and as you can see my setup, gold is expected to buy to 47.26. 47.26. That's where we expected to take our profits. So unakuja akienda, unakuja mmoja anahepa, mwingine anahepa. Share the live, share the live. Hit the like button. Spendi TikTok. Huko TikTok niko na adui wengi, utakuja kuniharibia live. TikTok, I have a lot of haters. I have a lot of haters in TikTok, so I don't want their yeah. I have a lot of haters in TikTok. Which currency is that? GBP? That's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's a good sign that the market is going up. Yeah? Yeah. Small amount of money. Yes. Yes, welcome guys. We are trading gold and we expected the market is expected to go up according to my setup. So yesterday while I was live, I gave out an uptrend that was very early in the morning, and most of the people who joined that market, they made profits. So today we are also having a buy setup. So those who are going to join in, be ready to buy. Hey, Jesus. Wanakuja kama wameenda, Ngoja nifanye hivi. We are doing the it's locked. What about let me see. We expected to buy, not to expect it, but the market's supposed to buy. Let me see. Orientation is locked. Market is supposed to go up. So there's a the market is expected to buy. So those who are inside, anyone who wants to get inside, should consider to the whole of today. The whole of today should consider buying, not selling. Buying is the thing, because this market is expected to come to 47.26. So yeah, the only thing we need to do is have patience, because this market is gonna come up here. It's coming up here. So already it has confirmed, since it closed above the last previous pullback here. You see here. So this one proves to you, and when you see down here, it closed up from the last previous swing point, from the previous lower low, not swing point. So that means that it's coming back up to break here, make a new high, retrace back. It should hold above this line. This market should come, break this point, hold above this line, and once it holds above, it's coming here. The market is coming here. So that's where today anyone who's trading gold should aim this high, 47.26. 47.26. Anyone who wants to trade gold today should aim that high. Those ones who have the ability to hold, you can enter now, then hold your market to the take profit. Enter and hold the market to the take profit. That's what I can advise you today. And please, if you're inside the live, please leave a like. Give me a like. Please support me by a like. I will really appreciate. Unasikia kuweka like, wanatoroka mbio. Yesterday, it was the other day, the market, I remember after the market made confirmed to me. You see, on Monday, this was on a Sunday morning, because on Thursday the market closed here. So on Monday there was a very big gap here. So after that, the market dropped this to this center of interest, and then started making higher high, higher lows, and then we entered. So yesterday we collected serious money from this point. Let me do this. We collected money from here to here, and then market retraced, because yesterday there was news Trump was supposed to speak at around 8 p.m. East African time. So if you calculate in your time zone, you'll find out the time he was supposed to speak, but he never spoke. So he just messed around with our normal trading activity, because many people feared to enter the market because they thought that the market was going to misbehave. You know, gold is usually affected by news, and as much as most people know that gold is most people know that gold is very volatile, so they fear entering the market when it's volatile, when there is news, because there is a lot of volatility during news. But now, depending on the strategy that you're using, you can see that we are on an uptrend on a higher time frame. So we're expecting the market to come high here. This is where we're expecting the market to come. So if you're not inside the market, you can consider buying, because already the market has confirmed coming to our take profit. And today, don't consider selling, because selling, if anyone who is selling on the market today, maybe if you want to lose money, then it's okay. But if you want to make money, please consider buying. If you're serious about making money today with gold, consider buying, because today market is gonna be bullish. Even though there was a downshift, like there was a downtrend on high time frame, this was just a pullback. This was a pullback. Hi to Mohammed. Hi Mohammed. This was a pullback. The correct trend is uptrend. These are 15 minutes time frame. You can see the market came, made a higher high, retraced back here, and then now we're expecting the market to go and break the previous higher high, so that we make a new higher high. So, and that's why I've suggested that you're supposed to buy to this place. So anyone who's getting into the market, consider, like, you can put your take profit on the previous high here, which is 4707. From here you can check out. From 4707 you can check out. Yeah, you can collect your profits from 4707, 4706. You can take your profits from there. So if you want to trade now, you can enter buys on gold. Enter buy and hold that market, because it's coming to 4726. That's assurance. That's assurance I'm giving you, that the market is going to buy to 4726 158. That's where the market is coming. So if you want to trade today and you're sure that you want to make money today, please consider buying gold. Consider buying gold. Consider buying gold. Don't sell today. Don't deal with sales today. Today, if you're dealing with sales today in gold, you lose money. Yesterday morning, I remember yesterday, that is from here, because yesterday we entered the market here, we entered buys here. This was around very early. It was very early in the morning, yeah, East African time, and we entered buys, whereby we collected money from this point. After it confirmed here, we bought to this high here, and then when the market started reversing, that is coming back down, because now there is a pull. This is a pullback to this place. So now we are continuing with our trend, because the market is uptrend. So we're expecting the market to buy to 47.26. Now that means that are we expecting for continuation of our trend? So we're expecting the market to continue buying to 47.26. So anyone who is in the trade, anyone who is in the market, consider buying. I'm advising you, consider buying gold. Buy. Your take profit should be at 47.26 and your stop loss should be here on the previous low. I know that's more than 1,000 pips, but 46.01. Yes, but you're sure of making money. You are sure of making money. You are sure of making money. All right, guys. So let's go. Actually, now market is moving very slowly. If you go, we right now we are in. Let me check. Let me see. Let me put the zones. We in London session. I'm gonna put this indicator. All right. As you can see right now here, we are actually the Asian session is coming to an end, so we're expecting to get into London session. So what I can say is when the market the market is looking forward to sweep this liquidity and the London session now, and when it breaks here, it confirms. When it breaks and confirms, we have to go up to 47.26. And remember, back here, this is a pullback from here to here. This is a pullback. This is not a downtrend, it's a pullback. Because our main trend is buying. Our main trend is bullish. The main bias is bullish. Now, like if you can see from last week, the market was making high, then came make a higher low, then made a new high, then made higher low, then made high, then higher low, and now we're expecting the market to make a higher high. So guys, if you're here, consider buying because we are in bullish trend. We're in bullish trend. We are not in sales. So anyone, most people will get into sales because they're thinking that the main buyers of the market is selling because they are seeing this downtrend structure here. And what they forget or what they don't know is that the market is not downtrend. This is just a pullback from the in terms of the higher time frame. In 4 hours, this is just a pullback. But the main trend is buying. So today we are targeting to break the previous high, and in the previous high on a higher time frame, which is a 47.06. That's where we are targeting to break today. So be on watch today because this market is going to break this point and make new high. According to 4 hours, this market is expected to go to, there is a very serious zone here that the market is coming. This zone here. Gold is coming to this zone here. That is 5,000. That is on those people who are trading on like they're holding, let me say not scalpers, but swing traders. For swing traders, I know you should be expecting the market to come to 5,000. For today, we are only expecting the market to come to 47.26. And I know today there's news around 5. Is it 5 or 3? There's news. Actually, there's news today. So we're expecting news around We're expecting news today around 3 p.m. That is East African time, but not really. But the main thing here is our setup, which gives us buys. So we are buying. So anyone who is in this live, be ready to buy and know that our market is an uptrend. Thank you, guys. So allow me to get off. We'll meet again when the market makes some serious move. Thank you, guys.